that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at it for just a second. Here's part of the stomach there. And that is gonad hanging out right there. That's gonad. They look like, to me, like Christmas trees. If you pull them, there you go. See how it kind of has a pointy, pointy end there? And then these are the digestive glands right here.
All right.
And then these are those internal endoskeletal plates, which you can see down in there, those endoskeletal plates. So what do you call this part right there?
The umbilical ridge.
Okay, what's your name?
Gabe Roberson.
Okay, now turn it over and let's look at the ambulacral groove on the sucker feet side, on the oral side. So this little space in the middle where the sucker feet are, that would be the what?
The ambulacral groove.
Ambulacral groove, and of course the mouth would be right here. There we go. Cool. These are very intact digestive glands. So if you pull these out, those are the digestive glands. And then sometimes if you look, under here, there's something that looks like a Christmas tree, and those are the gonads right there.